Hello friends, Dr. Amitabh Gupta here from Niyati Women's Hospital, and I welcome you all again in the session of spinal positioning, how to sit, how to relax, and how to drive your car, so to get over with your spinal problems. So I must say, a healthy way of life is to keep your posture correct, and that will prevent you from getting any kind of spinal problem as well as joint problems in your hips and knees. So it is important to know the correct posture. So let me start first by telling that your spine has three curvatures. So it is kind of a small lazy S till the down. So when you stand up, and as we are the only mammals in the animal kingdom who can stand straight and walk straight, so this is the way the load of the topmost head and the upper body is distributed towards the legs and the pelvis. So, to begin with, whenever we are standing, we should be relaxed, neither stooping forward, neither bending back. So, it has to be in the erect position and just relax. Don't try to exert it too much or tense up your body, and it should be relaxed. So, when we are standing towards a wall, so we can feel that our lower back is not touching and our neck portion is not touching. So, head is touching, shoulders is touching, and your buttocks or hips portion is touching. So whenever you want to walk, you walk with the small steps initially, and then when you are taking longer steps, then you have to be careful. There has to be a bend at the knee and at the hip joint. So this gives a kind of a movement or balance your pelvic girdle also. So this goes up for the standing position. So now let me tell you, while you are sitting, and most of you are working at home on the computer or probably on your laptop, so you should have your hands supported like a very well headrest. So which you can see I'm working here on a laptop, so my hands should be supported, not hanging too down, nor getting like excess of support so as to shrug your shoulders. So while you are working, it should be relaxed position, and my head should be on kind of a maybe roughly 25-degree flexion, and then you can work comfortably. This will take the pressure off your lower spine and even on the neck. The other thing is that your always the legs which are there, so you have to keep in mind that your foot should be flat on resting. So if your ground or if your chair is high, then you have to keep a stool to relax your feet, and it should be flat. The other portion is that along with this, your knees should be bent at around 90-degree angle, or it should be little higher than your hips. So whenever you are working in a sitting position, that should be there. You should not be sitting more than 30 minutes. If you have a longer work to do on computer or laptop, then always take a break, get up from your chair, walk around probably a little bit, and the best position is as soon as you get up from the chair, don't bend. Get up straight and try to just do certain back exercises just by stretching your back. This you can do 4-5 times. This will relax your back muscles. So this is more so in the sitting position. Some people can use a lumbar support on the back who have a back problem, and that works fine. So you need not need a special chair like an ergonomic lumbar support chair, but those who want it is again it's okay. But the chair should be comfortable enough, and it should be flat from the back and a good back support. Now coming to the sleeping position. So whenever we sleep, you have to be sure that your bed is not sagging. So if your mattress is sagging, then you need to change the mattress. You need not a very special mattress like with springs or support. But if you are having the same, again it is good. But keep in mind that your posture while you are sleeping should be relaxed, and your body should be in a neutral position. So when you are lying down, the pillow should be behind your head in a proper position, not too high, not too low. It should be a comfortable, restful position. So some people use 2 or 3 pillows. Again, that is bad. Initially, you won't find any problem. But later on, this will create a problem when you go up like many years after sleeping in such position. So avoid using many pillows. So another important thing is that all of us usually use a car or a four-wheeler. So while sitting and driving, especially for a prolonged period, you need to know the comfortable, your driving seat should be comfortable enough to take care of your spine. So the back should be straight relatively. And again, your legs should be comfortable in just knees coming above on the flex position above your hip joint, and it should be close to your accelerator so that you are not stretching your leg too much or not bending forward. Also, we need to maintain a safe distance from our driving wheel. So to look at it, if you still require, you have a back problem, so most of the cars have a lumbar back support. If it is not there, then you can put a small roll which can be made from a towel or a simple bed sheet and put it behind the lower back, which gives you a lumbar back support, which is very comfortable. And again, if you are driving for long, then you take frequent breaks after an hour or half an hour to stretch your legs. So I hope this helps you in keeping your spine healthy and keeping you fit during your home stay when you are staying safe and secure, and take all the precautions, and this will keep you fit to return back to your normal work, especially in the offices and your whatever the workplace may be. And keep following these instructions and try to contact us whenever you have any queries. Thank you.